Hi, welcome to another video. This is a video of explaining how to live stream to multiple platforms from your OBS installation. Now, OBS does come with a single live stream option where you can live stream to a single platform, but over here there are ways to actually live stream to multiple platforms using a plugin. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to open up a new browser window and I'm going to type in something very simple like RTMP output OBS. When I do that, I will be brought to the first option over here that says Multiple RTMP Output Plugin, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And that'll take me to the OBS website in the resources section, and I can go straight to downloads. When I'm in the downloads page, for people who can't read the current language, right click on the screen and translate to English. Gone ahead and done that. Now the first option that you actually does appear is a pre-release version. I don't recommend installing this because this is actually not a stable version. It could have bugs in there. So scroll down until you reach the latest version. In my case, it's 0.5.0.4, which is the latest version at this point of time. Scroll further down until you reach the assets section. And within the assets, since I'm on Windows, I'm going to actually select the installer.exe file. When I do that, it will download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm actually not going to click it. However, it will download to your downloads folder. Then just visit your downloads folder right here and double click on the file. It'll actually initially ask you to uninstall OBS if you have a previous version. Just say no, and it will give you an option to install it. Just say install, and that's really it. That's been installed now. So the next thing I would want to do is minimize these windows and run OBS. So I'm going to go ahead and launch OBS Studio. Sorry about the multiple windows, but as you can see, I've got OBS Studio opened up over here. And in OBS Studio, what we want to do to actually view the plugin is we can go to Docs, and when you go to Docs, you should have a multiple output option right here. Select the multiple output option, and it should actually open up the plugin. Now, I already have it over here, but it should sort of open up right over here. And what you can do is drag it and dock it. I usually like to overlay it somewhere next to scene transitions. And here you go, you've got your multiple output plugin. Now, how do we use it? It's really easy to use this plugin. You can actually start by adding a new target. And when I do that, it's going to open up a window to add a new target. I can actually name this target. For example, if I want to live stream to kick.com, if I'm doing my main stream to Twitch and I'm doing kick, now I can just say kick, enter the URL for kick. So your live stream URL for kick can be found, of course, on the live stream page. Enter the stream key for kick. And what I would do, once you enter these two, to keep things simple, if you don't want your computer to be re-encoding again, you can just use the get from OBS encoder option right here. And what the plugin will actually do is use the same settings as you've set in your main OBS, which can be found in your settings. So that's what I would actually do. If you do actually change this and you give it, you select one of these options, your computer is going to re-encode it twice, which is obviously going to take more resources. So I would actually leave it at this. And if you do want it to start at the same time your OBS does start, you can actually select sync start with OBS, and essentially this output will start at the same time as OBS. And once you've done that, click on OK, and you can actually, once you start streaming here, the stream will automatically start streaming to Kick as well. And that is it, folks. That's the way to actually live stream to a second platform and even a third and a fourth. You can simply just add additional targets to the multiple output plugin. And that's how you stream to multiple platforms directly from OBS. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below of the video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.